Hello friends and welcome to the lecture. Today we will learn new lesson disaster management. First, can you tell what do you mean by disaster? A disaster is a natural or man-made event that negatively affects life, property, livelihood or industry, often resulting in permanent changes to human societies, ecosystems and environment. What are the different types of disasters? There are two types of disasters. First is natural disaster and second is man-made disaster. A disaster caused by natural factors called as natural disaster, example earthquake, flood, cyclone, etc. Man-made disaster, a disaster caused due to the human activities, example wars, fire, accidents, industrial accidents, etc. Let's see earthquake. Sudden vibration on the earth and shaking of the earth's surface or ground is called an earthquake. These cause seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking, or it goes up down. The shocks and waves form in the entire interior of the earth, spread on the surface in all directions. The central point of earthquake is the point above the epicenter on the earth's surface. Strong convulsions or waves at first reach to the epicenter, therefore major loss occurs near to that area. Shocks occur due to an earthquake can be mild or intensified. On the earth, mild earthquakes occur in a larger number than intensified or runners. Every day, earthquakes are noticed at some or the other places on the earth. According to the observation of National Earthquakes Information Center, every year nearly 12,400 to 14,000 earthquakes occur on the earth. From this, it is noticed that earth is continuously vibrating. The machine or instrument which records the earthquakes is called seismograph or seismometer, and the accent and the intensity is measured in Richter scale. This is one of the mathematical measuring unit. Now see causes of an earthquake. First is volcanic eruption. Second is stress of big dams on the earth. Third is mining. Fourth is underground atomic tests. Fifth is water percolates through the rocks of the earth. Due to tremendous heat, the water converts into steam. The steam form tries to come out from the loosened earth surface, causing earthquakes. Effects of an earthquake. First, loss of human beings, wild animals and pets. Second, economic loss at large scale. Electrical poles, pipelines, houses, buildings, roads, railway tracks are destroyed. Third, ecosystem destruction due to the loss of biodiversity. Fourth, direction of flow of rivers, streams changes. Possibility of fire in cities increases. If there is earthquake at the bottom of ocean, it may create tsunami waves and thereby large scale destruction of coastal region. 7. Level of water table changes. Thank you.